You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this northern Indian curry dish. For more names from Indian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. Restaurant style paneer kofta. Malai Kofta, comfort food, delicious. Malai Kofta recipe, Malai Kofta. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.